So today I want to show you how to cash a check on Venmo. So here we are on the main page of our Venmo account, and we want to go ahead and cash a check that we've received. And so what we want to do is actually go to the bottom right on the Me profile. And then from this section here, we're going to see where it says Venmo balance and where it says manage. We're going to tap over on manage. And then from here, you can see at the very bottom option, it says cash a check. So we're going to tap over here and it's going to tell us some things we need to know when it comes to cashing a check. We need to confirm our information. We need to be able to scan the check front and back, and then we need to enter in the amount and the cash out details. So if we click on get started, it's going to take us to those steps. So here it's going to ask you to confirm some information if this is your first time going through and actually cashing out a check. So we can hit accept. Next up, it's going to be terms and conditions. Click accept here. And you can see confirm your identity to start cashing checks. You do need to put in a date of birth, your social security number, confirming the social security number and your phone number. Once you do that, you can click agree and continue. So we went ahead and plugged in all that information. You can see here, we've confirmed your identity. You can now cash checks online with Venmo. So we're going to click on done. So here we're just going to go ahead and plug in the amount that we have on the check. We take a photo of the front and we take a photo of the back. And then that way we can go ahead and deposit that check into our Venmo account. Now I want you to keep on learning all the different features when it comes to utilizing Venmo. So check out my video right over here on screen to keep on learning.